The Caribbean Sea, calm on the surface.
But tension was rising below. A U.S. aircraft carrier entered the region.
Just miles from Venezuela's coast,
a country already on high alert.
Every movement was being tracked.
Orders were being discussed. Coastal missile systems activated.
Weapons designed to sink giants!
Then, the unthinkable happened.
Missiles were launched,
flying straight toward the U.S. carrier.
Alarms exploded across the ship.
Seconds to react.
No room for mistakes.
The carrier's defense systems came alive.
Interceptor missiles fired instantly.
the sky lit up. Missiles destroyed mid-flight. The carrier survived.
But this was no longer defense.
Risa. Washington received the alert.
Threat level maximum.
The response was immediate.
Fighter jets scrambled.
Electronic warfare systems engaged. Enemy sensors went dark.
The U.S. Navy took control.
Venezuela realized the scale.
Launch systems stood down.
The world reacted instantly.
Emergency meetings were called.
A crisis narrowly avoided.
The U.S. carrier didn't retreat. It advanced.
Sending a message.
This was about deterrence.
Power with without invasion.